In this video, we are going to explore the top 5 AI automation tools that can save you time and boost your productivity. These tools will allow you to automate repetitive tasks so you can focus on more important matters. Let's dive in. Number 1. Zapier. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that allows you to connect different apps and automate tasks between them. For example, you can use Zapier to automatically save your new tweets as leads in your CRM or to send a message to your team whenever a new customer review is posted. You can also use it to automatically save your Instagram posts as videos on your website. Zapier has a wide range of templates to get you started quickly, or you can build your own custom workflows. With over 3,000 apps supported, the possibilities are endless. And with the new AI Builder feature, you can now connect apps together without any pre-built apps or knowledge of code. Zapier offers a free plan for up to 500 automations per month. However, for more advanced features and unlimited automations, you lines need to upgrade to one of their paid plans, which start at just $20 per month. Number 2. Make. Make is an automation tool that allows you to connect different apps and automate tasks. It also enables you to create complex automations with multiple steps using a visual builder. With Make, you can connect to over 1,000 apps including email, social media, project management, and more. Once you've connected your apps, you can create automations that meet your specific needs. For example, you can automatically save your new tweets as leads in your CRM or send a message to your team whenever a new customer review is posted. Make also offers a wide range of templates to help you get started quickly. Make is completely free to use with no time limits or restrictions on the number of automations you can create. However, if you need additional features, such as advanced analytics and priority support, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans, which start at €9 per month. No. 3. Texo. Texo is a great tool for automating your text messages. You can use it to send automatic text messages to customers or clients without having to manually type out each message. This can be especially helpful if you have a business that relies on a lot of text message communication, such as a delivery service or a home care business. Textedly also allows you to set up text message keywords so that when someone sends you a text message with a certain keyword, you can automatically respond with a predefined message. This can be useful for things such as order confirmations or appointment reminders. In addition to automating your text messages, Textedly also provides you with a lot of valuable insights into your text message communication. You can see which messages are the most popular, which keywords are triggering the most responses, and much more. This information can be extremely helpful if you are trying to grow your business, as it gives you insight into what your customers want and how they prefer to communicate. Textedly is free to sign up and includes 100 free texts every month. However, if you need to send more than 100 texts per month, their plans start at just $5 per month. Number 4. IFTTT. If this then that or IFTTT is a powerful automation tool that allows you to connect different apps and services together. With a simple if this then that formula, you can create powerful automations that can save you a lot of time and effort. For example, you could use IFTTT to automatically save all your new Instagram posts to your computer, or to automatically send a message to your team whenever a new customer review is posted. You could even use it to automatically tweet any new blog posts you write. IFTTT is completely free to use, and there are thousands of recipes available to choose from. However, if you want to create more complex automations, you'll need to upgrade to their premium plan, which costs $3 per month. Number 5. Reclaim. AI Reclaim. AI is a Chrome extension that can save you a ton of time when it comes to scheduling meetings. With Reclaim AI, you can easily schedule meetings with others by simply sending them a message in your calendar. The extension will automatically find a time that works for both of you and create a meeting for you. This can be a huge time saver. You don't need to go back and forth with people trying to find a time that works for everyone. In addition, Reclaim AI also allows you to accept or decline meeting requests automatically based on your availability. This can be a great way to streamline your meeting scheduling process and ensure that you only attend meetings that you really need to be at. Reclaim AI is completely free to use, and there are no time limits or restrictions on the number of meetings you can schedule. And there you have it, the top 5 AI automation tools that can help you save time and boost your productivity. Whether you want to automate your social media posts, schedule meetings, or anything in between, these tools have you covered. We hope you found this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and best of luck in your online journey.